Welcome to 440 Mountain Tranquility Place. This is Canmore's second highest sale ever at $7,875,000.
And as Kyle said, we're in Mountain Tranquility Place, which is one of Silvertip's most exclusive neighborhoods. We are backing onto environmental reserve with huge mountain views.
This home was built by Kidner Construction, who's been building in the valley for 40 years and has an incredible reputation as one of the best builders.
And that construction quality shines through from the whole of this house. So you don't really notice the size of this house when you look at it from the street, but we've actually got over 5,200 square feet. It's a double walkout floor plan. We have 6 bedrooms, and then this main floor is the top level as you walk into the home, which optimizes those views of Three Sisters Mountain, as well as the tranquility of the green space behind the house.
People use the word designer kitchen all the time. This takes it to another level. Complete Miele, built-in 48-inch gas, built-in coffee machine, hidden dishwasher drawer, proper wine fridge, all oak cabinetry. This kitchen is incredible.
That mountain theme follows through into the living space and dining room. We've got these beautiful vaulted ceilings with the timber beams that go the length of the ceiling. And you'll see behind me, we've got these floor-to-ceiling European windows that are tilt-turn that really take advantage of that view and give you the name of the Mountain Tranquility neighborhood.
Because you've got all your kitchen, living, dining, and primary on the top floor, it actually feels like a penthouse, and you're about 50 feet above the ground here.
So the first of your 6 bedrooms is on this level. It's your primary bedroom, which gives you one level living, 50 feet high in the air, as Kyle said.
All the interior selections were done by Canmore's local, Karen Tustinoff of Spruce Design, and all the interior selections speak for themselves to the custom lighting, the beautiful concrete tub, all the tile work, steam shower, etc. In true Kidner Construction fashion, open riser first stairs, absolutely stunning, leads us down to the middle floor.
Who wants a cocktail? This is the perfect place for entertaining. You've got a built-in dishwasher just to my left, a massive deck on the right. I really don't typically swear on videos, but this deck is amazing, and this door is incredible. It's actually an 800-pound door, but slides super easy and gets you out back into nature.
So we're pretty much dead south facing here. If the sun's a little bit too warm for you upstairs, you come down to this covered deck, which flows right into the family room. This is a fantastic party area, fire table, some seating, once again overlooking the wildlife corridor. So we're on the middle floor in what I would call the second primary suite. You've got wraparound windows here, incredible views, a stunning ensuite, and the view from the ensuite is terrific as well.
So this is the ground level. It's the walkout level of the home. We've got another huge deck or patio just off to my right with the fire pit and the hot tub, as well as some real privacy again with that environmental reserve just off to my right. And then we've got this huge games room. Could be a family room, pool table, dartboard, whatever you want it to be.
So you've got 2 more bedrooms down here, 2 full baths, the 8-foot white oak doors again throughout the entire house. Let's go have a look at the sauna room.
So I'm in my happy place. Saunas are one of my favorite things to do, and this is a peach. It's an 8-person custom-built sauna that truly fits in with this incredible home.
Nobody knows Mountain Tranquility or Silvertip like Richard and I. We are the true experts here.
We've been entrusted by some of Canmore's most exclusive sellers to sell their properties in Canmore. If you're looking to buy or sell, our contact information is just below. Feel free to reach out anytime. And if you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to click that subscribe button. We've got some great videos coming for you in the next few weeks.